Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Ubuntu versus Fedora, two of the most popular Linux distributions. Let's start with Ubuntu. Ubuntu is probably the most well-known Linux distribution worldwide. It's built on top of Debian, but the main reason people choose Ubuntu is its simplicity and reliability. Many beginners who make the switch from Windows or macOS often pick Ubuntu first because it just works. One of its biggest advantages is the LTS releases, which stand for long-term support. These are supported for 5 full years with security updates and patches. That means if you install Ubuntu today, you don't need to worry about upgrading every few months. This makes it an excellent choice for personal desktops, offices, and even servers where stability is critical. Now let's talk about Fedora. Fedora is a distribution backed by Red Hat, and its philosophy is quite different from Ubuntu's. Where Ubuntu focuses on stability, Fedora focuses on being cutting edge. If there's a new Linux feature, kernel, or technology, you'll probably see it in Fedora before you see it anywhere else. It uses the DNF package manager with RPM packages. It might feel a bit more advanced than Ubuntu's APT system, but it's powerful and very flexible once you learn it. Developers especially love Fedora because it gives them access to the latest tools without waiting for years. And that's it. If this comparison was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more comparisons.